In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record sales tax payments in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear your sales tax liability and keep your accounts tidy and accurate. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to the Accountant section in the left sidebar. This is where you manage accounting functions like taxes and adjustments. Inside Accountant, click Tax Payments. This page shows your current dues and your payment history, so you can see what's outstanding and what's already been settled. To record a new payment, click New. This opens a form where you'll specify who you're paying, for which period, and how the payment was made. Begin by selecting the tax authority. Choose the tax agency you remit to, such as your state or regional authority. If you work with multiple agencies, be sure you pick the correct one, as this determines which liability will be cleared. Next, enter the from date and the to date for the filing period you're paying. These dates should match the period on your tax return, monthly, quarterly, or annual, so the calculation that lines up with what you actually owe. A quick tip: make sure all invoices, credit notes, and any taxable purchases for that period are finalized before proceeding, so the numbers are complete. Click Generate to have Zoho Books calculate the amount due for that date range. The system pulls in your recorded transactions and computes the tax payable. If the figure doesn't look right, it's usually a sign that something in that period needs review, perhaps a missing invoice or an incorrect tax rate. So fix the source transaction and generate again. Now, choose Paid Through. This is the bank, credit card, or cash account you use to make the payment. Picking the correct account ensures the withdrawal is posted to the right place in your books. Then, enter a reference number. This could be a check number or an online payment confirmation, anything that helps you trace the payment later for audits or reconciliations. Enter the payment date, which should reflect the actual date funds left your account or the date your payment was submitted to the tax authority. This ensures the expense and liability reduction hit the correct accounting period. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho Books records the payment, reduces your sales tax liability for the chosen authority and period, and posts the payment to the selected account. You'll see the entry in your tax payments list and, if applicable, in your bank register. That's it. Your sales tax payment is now properly recorded in Zoho Books.